Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. For assistance, contact iTunes support. So if you see this kind of error in your App Store, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page. And after closing this page, what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to turn it off again. And you can also restart your Wi-Fi router so that your internet connection can be restored. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to simply go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset. And you have to simply reset all of your network settings here. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply close the App Store app, and after that you can simply restart it. Moreover, you can also force restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, you can simply turn on the phone and you can simply try again. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to Apple Support and ask for the solution of your problem. And you can also go to Apple Discussion and you can search for the solution of your problem, because there are many iPhone and iOS users available which share their problem, and people share the solution which they have solved the problem. And in this way you can simply solve the error. If the problem is still there again, then you can simply go to Apple Support and ask for the deactivation of your account. So there may be that Apple has mistakenly blocked your disabled your iTunes and App Store account, and you can simply ask for the reactivation of your account by simply connecting to Apple Support and ask for the reactivation of your account. So in this way you can simply solve that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.